going on, everybody? And today we're going to be going over this Amazon Basic camera bag. Also fits a 17-inch laptop, so let's go ahead and get into that. Now this bag will run you about $31 at the time of this video on Amazon.com. Two key features why we bought this bag is because it can house our laptop and the price. For $31, you can't go wrong. Now this bag was comfortable and we wore it for a few hours just walking around taking photos, and I didn't find any soreness. Two of the main reasons we bought this bag is because it housed our laptop and the price. A lot of the bags around this area didn't have a spot for a laptop, and you know, for me, wherever my camera goes, usually my laptop is there unless we're going, you know, somewhere hiking or something like that where we won't really need it until the end when we get back. But I move around a lot, so that's one of the key features. Now the bag, it was really comfortable, and I wore this bag a few hours walking around taking photos, flying the drone around, and I didn't feel any soreness. There's really comfortable pads in there, and the waist strap helps a lot. On the back side we have your shoulder straps, and we have a chest strap, and we have your waist strap. Now your waist strap has retainer bands, I call them, to house your slack. Now the only thing about this is your chest strap and your shoulder straps do not come with a retainer band. They could have spent the extra couple cents and added one in there. I think it would have been a lot better. You got your D rings right there. They're made of plastic, so we'll know how long that holds up. Going around, you know, you got your carrying handle. It feels pretty good. All the stitching looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and go inside, and I'll show you what we have inside the bag, what I carry inside my bag. I don't have much, but this is what I do carry in there, so we'll go ahead and get into that. So we'll go ahead and set this down. Alright, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and get into the first pouch, and I'll show you what I carry inside my bag here. Now starting off in the front pocket here, we have our controller. Some of y'all know what that's for. I'll go ahead and show y'all here. We'll go ahead and got this case here. We'll get into that another day. We'll go ahead and put those to the side. Anything else we have in here? There's nothing else we don't carry in here. I'll carry my chargers and stuff like that, but we're inside the room, so in the studio, so I have them all plugged into the wall. I also carry the tripod that's on this camera right there. We'll go ahead and get into the bigger pocket. Now, like I said, I don't carry much inside this bag. Go ahead and get into the bigger pocket, and we only have 3 items in here. Usually my camera and my microphone's in here also, but all we have is our cover for our microphone for when we're outside. All we have is our nifty 50 lens right there, and we also carry just a LED light just in case, and that's all we really carry inside the bag. Now inside the bag here, the quality is decent. It's alright. This fabric's alright. The Velcro feels, as you can see, feels pretty strong. You get stuck on there really good. Comes with these nice little straps to hold like my camera that I set right there. And that's pretty much all that's in the bag. So on the next episode we're going to go over a memory card case. Everybody needs a memory card case, whether you're shooting videos, taking photos, or just have them for your phone or whatnot. This case, it's waterproof, but we're going to put it up against other elements and see how that works. So with that being said, make sure y'all give this a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and if you don't like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up anyways, and we'll see you next time.